finished the paperwork and now let's do some quadding. That's it for today, guys. This is the end of the tour. I just want to say a big thanks to our tour guide Ivan. Showed us some unbelievable places. It was really unreal, and we'll definitely be back again. So thank you again.
Thank you and see you again. Yeah.
Good morning everyone, today is day number 2. We are going on Waterfalls, we have a very long walk, it's a beautiful sunny day and we'll be walking around 5 to 6 hours, we'll be documenting everything, so stay tuned. Let the journey begin.
We made it to the 4th waterfall. We are pretty tired, but moving on. So see you on the 5th. We made it to the 5th, and for me, most favorite waterfall. We're gonna take a swim here and enjoy it a little bit. See ya! Amazing.
Hello guys, we just came to the spot and it's zipline time.